Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the new topic called as hybrid pi model. It is a part wherein your AC analysis of the diagram of the BJT circuits do begin, and once we are done with this, we will begin with MOSFET. So it becomes easier for you to understand BJT, JFET, and MOSFET along with its DC and AC analysis. So now let us begin the hybrid pi model. The topic is very much important in nature, and yes, numericals based on hybrid pi model are always being asked in the examination. They generally don't mention hybrid pi model, they do mention that do perform AC analysis, and while the questions are being framed in such a way that you might be having given a circuit, and for that circuit you need to find out the total gain of the circuit. Now when it comes to finding out the total gain, or known as the AV or the voltage gain, it is simply given as it is simply performed by using the hybrid pi model. But what is the hybrid pi model of a BJT? So let's build a hybrid pi model for a simple common emitter configuration one by one, step by step. Now first of all, if I am having a diode over here over which a positive and negative voltage is being given over here. So now if a junction is forward biased, then the current flowing to the junction is given as I which is equals to is exponential, that is nothing but e raised to v by vt, with your efficiency equals to 1, where your vt is nothing but the thermal voltage, that is the temperature at room, that is the voltage at room temperature, and is is nothing but the reverse saturation current or your leakage current. Now when the transistor is in forward active region, your JBE is forward biased. We had seen in the previous diagram also that when you want to make sure that your amplifier works in the active region, you need to make your JBE forward biased and your JBC reverse biased. Now JBE is in forward bias, then using IE, which is equals to IS exponential, that is nothing but e raised to VBE by VT. VBE is the input voltage over here. Now as you can see over here, it is nothing but the diode voltage VBE, as we had seen in for CE configuration. Now we saw that during the operation of transistor, that IC is alpha times IE, or IC is alpha times IE. So alpha is nothing but the current gain in common base configuration. For common emitter configuration, the current gain is given by beta. Now therefore using IC is equals to alpha times IE is given as IS exponential VBE by VT. Now यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ आई ई की वैल्यू सब्सिट्यूट कर दी बेटा, वेर अल्फा इज द डी सी करंट गेन ऑफ कॉमन बीटा कॉन्फिगरेशन. नाउ वी नो दैट आई ई इज इक्वल्स टू आई सी अपॉन बीटा एफ. देन बाई यूजिंग द अबव इक्वेशन ओवर हियर, your IB becomes IC by beta, therefore it is nothing but alpha upon beta into IS exponential e raised to VBE by VT, where BF or beta F is nothing but the DC current gain of your common emitter configuration. Now we have a diagram of the output characteristics of common emitter configuration, wherein your VCE is plotted versus IC over here. So over here, yes, the graph which was in this way, in this fashion, it is being extrapolated, or it is being extended for to meet at a certain point on the negative x-axis or negative voltage over here. The voltage over here is known as early voltage. It is generally given as 50 to 300 volts, and let us see what happens is the diagram shows an exaggerated view of the current voltage characteristic with VEE with VBE constant. We know as VCE goes on increasing, IC increases due to early effect. Now that when due to early effect, when the current is when the current in the characteristics are extrapolated to a zero current, they meet at a point on the negative axis at VCE, which is equals to minus VA. Now the voltage VA is a positive quantity called as early voltage. It is of the range 50 to VA ranges from 50 to 300 volts. Now over here, एक मिनट बेटा, let me see whether it is adjustable or not. Yes, it is visible. Now the current IC, taking early voltage into account, can be written as IC, which is equals to alpha IF IS alpha times IE, that is nothing but I S exponential VB by VT, at 1 plus VC by VA, keeping at at Q point, where IS and your alpha are constants. Now if you have a diagram over here, this is the diagram of common emitter configuration. The input voltage is VB, the input current is IB, the output voltage is VC, the output current is IC. Now let us step by step make the hybrid pi model for the transistor shown in the figure over here. Now if we look into the BE junction, look मतलब आप literally यहाँ पे खड़े हो बेटा and you are looking into a junction over here. As you can see, अगर आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो, अगर यहाँ पे मेरा स्टूडेंट खड़ा है, यहाँ पे अगर मेरा गोपानी खड़ा है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो द जंक्शन ऑफ इफ यू लुक इनटू द BE जंक्शन ऑफ BGT, वी सी अ JB, यहाँ पे आपको एक डायोड दिखेगा जो फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड है. Now therefore at the input we can see a resistance R pi, which is the inverse of slope of the input characteristics of the transistor. ये आपका ट्रांजिस्टर का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. इसको जब आपने टेंजेंट लिया और इसको जब आपने स्लोप लिया और स्लोप का जब इन्वर्स लिया, यू गेट रेजिस्टेंस द वैल्यू विच इज़ नोन एज R pi. From the characteristic at Q point, you get 1 upon R pi is nothing but daba AB by daba VB at Q point. Now from equation 2, that was the previous equation, we had IE, which is equals to IS exponential VB by VT. But since IE is equals to your IC plus IB, therefore your IC यहाँ पे it is a product, it is not plus beta over here. So IE over here it is given as beta IB plus IB. So आपने यहाँ से IB कॉमन ले लिया, it becomes beta plus 1 into IB. Now यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया, IB आपने यहाँ पे IB को लिखा, so your IB now turns out to be IS upon 1 plus beta exponential VB by VT. Therefore 1 upon R pi turns out to be daba by this entire term. आपने इस पूरे इक्वेशन को डेरिवेटिव ले लिया and और आपने IS अपॉन 1 प्लस बीटा वैसे रखा इंटू एक्सपोनेंशियल VB बाई VT लिया और आपने ये पूरे इक्वेशन को डेरिवेटिव ले लिया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू VB. सो नाउ कैन आई से दैट दिस टर्म इज अ कांस्टेंट विल कम आउट. सो आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट रहेगा एक्सपोनेंशियल वाला VB बाई VT, आप सिर्फ उसको डेरिवेटिव लोगे. नाउ योर ये पार्ट आपका कांस्टेंट आ गया. देयरफॉर 1 अपॉन R pi इज इक्वल्स टू IBQ by VT, or 1 upon R pi is nothing but ICQ by beta VF, wherein your also यहाँ पे since you have IC equals to beta IB, तो भाई आपका IB के लिए इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा बेटा, IC अपॉन बीटा. वही चीज़ यहाँ पे ये लोग ने की है. 1 अपॉन R pi is equals to IBQ upon VT, और योर 1 अपॉन R pi is nothing but ICQ by beta VT. सो योर R pi जब आपने इन्वर्स लिया, सो इट बिकेम VT upon IBQ or beta VT upon ICQ, where your beta or beta DC, where your beta is nothing but your beta in DC or the current gain in common emitter configuration, and VT is your thermal voltage. Now R pi is known as the diffusion resistance. Therefore at the input we have something diagram over here, जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पे देख रहे हो बेटा, you have a line input coming over here. यहाँ पे आप डायोड की जगह अभी एक R pi लगाओगे बेटा, and this will be the ground line. R pi के across the input voltage VBE occurs. Now this one was for input circuit. Now for output equivalent circuit, we know that the output current IC changes with VBE as well as VCE. This can be mathematically written and expanded using Taylor series as delta IC is equals to function of VBE and VCE. Therefore delta IC is equals to delta times IC upon delta times VB, keeping VBE constant, keeping VBE constant, and delta time IC upon delta time VCE into change in VCE. तो यहाँ पे this part over here indicates your early effect, यानी कि आप what are you expecting कि जब आपने आउटपुट के वोल्टेज में चेंज किया तब आप आउटपुट करंट में चेंज एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो. नाउ नेग्लेक्टिंग द अर्ली इफेक्ट पोर्शन बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल इन नंबर, तो भाई आपने इसको निकाल दिया. नाउ व्हाट डू, यू टेक सम चेंज इन IC is equals to daba IC by daba VB at Q point, that is nothing but delta VB equals to 0. भाई यहाँ पे आपने ये वाले पार्ट को आपने इंटू ये कर दिया इंटू डेल्टा VBE. Therefore now we have your IC given as Now your IC is been given as over here. एक मिनट है बेटा. Now your IC is given as DABA times IC upon DABA VB at Q point into your VB. Now we know that IC is equals to alpha times exponential VB by VT into your IS. तो भाई अभी मैंने क्या किया, ये वाला जो डाबा IC बाय डाबा VB था, विच इज़ नाउ इक्वल्स टू अल्फ़ा एफ IS एक्सपोनेंशियल VB बाई VT अपॉन VT इज इक्वल्स टू ICQ बाई VT. फॉरगेट ऑल दैट, ये थोड़ा डेरिवेशन अगर आपको लेंदी जा रहा है, आप सिर्फ इतना याद रखो दैट IC इज फाइनली गिवन एज ICQ बाई VT इंटू VB. देयरफॉर IC बाई VB क्या मैं कह सकता हूँ, ये I बाई वी के फॉर्मेट है. I बाई, अगर V बाई I होता तो ये रेजिस्टेंस होता, बट I बाई वी है तो रेजिस्टेंस का इन्वर्स इज नोन एज कंडक्टेंस. बट सिंस यहाँ पे आउटपुट अपॉन इनपुट वाला टर्म है बेटा, IC अपॉन VBE, वी से दैट इट इज नथिंग बट अ ट्रांस कंडक्टेंस बीन गिवन बाई GM and which is equals to ICQ by VT, where GM is the trans conductance. Hence this is the parameter GMVB known as the trans conductance. अगर आपका ये IC ये इक्वेशन से मुझे निकालना हो, जस्ट अ मोमेंट है बेटा, हाँ, अगर मुझे आपका ये IC यहाँ से निकालना हो, सो इट बिकम्स GM by VBE over here. So IC is equals to GMVB क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से, सो आपका ये IC is nothing but GMVB over here. Therefore at the output we show a dependent current source that is nothing but IC is equals to GMVBE over here. Now suppose combining the input and the output circuit, we get the initial hybrid model as ये भाई आपका इनपुट वाला टर्म रहा, ये भाई आपका आउटपुट वाला टर्म रहा, ग्राउंड दोनों के लिए कॉमन रहेगा. नाउ your IB is given, IB flows through R pi, generates VBE, or in another word you can say that VBE is applied across R pi and this is the input current IB. Similarly IC is nothing but GMVBE. GMVB is nothing but a dependent current source over here, and the output voltage that you receive is given by VCE over here. Now considering the early effect, initially we did remove the early effect. Now considering the early effect, मैं directly final equation पे जाता हूँ बेटा, rather than going into very much theoretical part. Trust me, the theoretically it is no one is interested. It's just that the final value we are much more interested. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलता है बेटा, the slope that is nothing but RO is given by VA by ICQ, where VA is nothing but the early voltage and ICQ is nothing but the output current. So by this is included in the output section, मतलब ये GMVB के ये साइड आ जाएगा RO. Generally including RO in the equivalent circuit, the hybrid pi model now becomes as shown over. This is the final hybrid pi model of a BJT in CE configuration. Now how did I come to know that it is a CE configuration? If you look carefully, यहाँ से base current आ रहा है, यहाँ से collector current आ रहा है, पर emitter terminal grounded है यहाँ पे. The one which is on the lower bottom connecting both input and the output is known as the ground terminal. So यहाँ पे आपका emitter ground है बच्चा, emitter ground है मतलब emitter ground है, emitter ground है मतलब आपका एमिटर इनपुट और आउटपुट को कॉमन है, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ कॉमन एमिटर कॉन्फिगरेशन. नाउ including RO in what do you say, the equivalent circuit, the hybrid pi model now becomes as shown over here, where RO is a small signal output resistance of the transistor. Generally the value of RO is much larger in practicality, so we generally remove that. Why? Because उसके अंदर से कुछ फ्लो ही नहीं होगा बेटा, अगर कुछ फ्लो ही नहीं होगा तो उसको सर्किट में रख के कुछ पॉइंट ही नहीं है हमारा. तो नाउ मॉडल विथ ट्रांस कंडक्टेंस पैरामीटर, अगर मेरे पास ये डायग्राम है, दैट मीन्स आई एम यूजिंग, एक मिनट बेटा मैं अरेंज कर लेता हूँ आप लोग के लिए. मॉडल विथ ट्रांस कंडक्टेंस पैरामीटर, यहाँ पे यू हैव व्हाट यू से इनपुट सर्किट, आप इनिशियली इनपुट सर्किट बनाते हो, एंड यहाँ पे यू हैव IB एंड यहाँ पे यू हैव IB, यहाँ पे आपके पास IC है, ये IB flows through R pi, that is nothing but the diffusion resistance, and it generates a voltage V pi, that is nothing but diffusion voltage over here. तो भाई यहाँ पे VB है, यहाँ पे V pi है, आउटपुट में यहाँ पे there is a dependent current source named as GMV pi और GMVBE. यहाँ पे the output resistance RO is present, which is very much high in number, so we generally don't consider it in our practical application. So yes, RO हम numericals करते वक्त हम नहीं consider करेंगे unless and until the early voltage is being mentioned in the numerical. अगर early voltage mention किया है, that means the examiner is expecting us to what do you say consider RO into fact. Now this one is given by IC. Now model with the current gain parameter. We also know that IC is equals to beta times IB. Therefore modified hybrid pi model can be given by modified hybrid pi model can be given by, ये डायग्राम ऐसा का ऐसा रहेगा बेटा, जहाँ पे आपने जी एम वी बी ई लिखा था या जी एम वी पाई लिखा था, अभी आप उसे बीटा आई बी लिखोगे एंड यहाँ पे the only change over here is you include what do you say, a beta IB over here instead of GMVB. Now the above model is shown as hybrid pi model because the parameters which have evaluated have different units, like R pi का ohms है, beta no unit है, RO is in ohms, GM is in mho. Now if you have a PNP configuration then the diagram would change by a little bit. आपका जो output current है बेटा, input current है वो outwards की हो जाएगा, that is nothing but IB. output current is given by IC. यहाँ पे आपका VBE हुआ करता था, अभी ये VEB हो जाएगा in case of what do you say, in case of input current. if you look carefully बेटा, यहाँ पे हमने ना प्लस ऊपर कंसिडर किया है, नेगेटिव नीचे कंसिडर किया है फॉर कॉमन एमिटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इन NPN कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. नाउ अगर आप PNP ले रहे हो बेटा तो यहाँ पे आपका नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आपका पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स यू मेजर योर वोल्टेज कीपिंग द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ओवर ईयर एंड द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ओवर ईयर. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे आपका जो IC होगा वो आउटवर्ड की ओर होगा. यहाँ पे आपका जो करंट वोल्टेज था VCE वो अभी VEC के नाम से जाना जाएगा. एंड व्हाट डू यू से, जो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव रखोगे आप आउटपुट टर्मिनल का एंड यहाँ पे नेगेटिव टर्मिनल आप कैलकुलेट करोगे. नेगेटिव टर्मिनल इज जनरली ग्राउंडेड. सो येस, this is for this is for PNP configuration. Now this value of GMV pi is modified to what do you say, beta IB over here, and it has been given as what do you say, in current gain parameters. So yes, this you need to remember that when the numericals are being performed, and while if the early voltage is not given, you will discard RO and you will generally have a value of beta IB into consideration. So yes, please do we'll solve the numericals over here. So yes, up till then please do study and stay safe. So this is the final model over here bacha. This one is the final model for hybrid pi what do you say, consideration hybrid pi model. All the AC analysis will be done using this numerical. for model को कैसे करेंगे क्या करेंगे मैं बताऊंगा बेटा बाद में, don't worry about it. Up till then please do stay safe and thank you बेटा, thank you.